Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. We have a couple of packages today. This one, less cool than this one. But yeah, we're gonna crack these open today together, sort of live, a bit long form. I'll have a different angle so you can actually see what's going on, but I wanted to at least introduce this topic myself. Yeah, so basically a little bit of context on this parcel. This is my new AMS Lite. So I didn't buy this from Bambu. I didn't buy this sort of brand new, I guess. I mean, it kind of is. So for context, a lot of people have bought the A1 Mini or the A1 and bought it as a combo to save on delivery times. So at the moment, there's quite a lot of people that are selling the AMS Lite untouched as it is in the box for much less than you get it from Bambu. In this case, I got it for £185, which is really good, including next day shipping. And this is basically exactly as it comes from the combo. But yeah, I guess we'll unbox and see what kind of condition it's in. But hopefully we can unbox this today, get it set up and get maybe a test print going. And I can get a bit of an assessment in for the AMS Lite. So here's a better angle maybe for the actual unboxing itself. Yeah, I've just pre-cut this box, but I actually haven't opened it yet. So I guess we'll see that together. We'll see whether eBay is a horrendous idea or not. But let's give it a go. So, oh, I think something dropped off already. I think we're okay. So, a big bag of stuff. Okay, it's pretty well packed actually. So, looks like here is the stand itself for the AMS. Put this down here. Then we have, looks like these are the spools. So these are the spools themselves. Again, like all packaged up, which is good. So yeah, all very fresh. This guy told me basically, yeah, he had bought the AMS combo, but didn't actually need the AMS itself. So he just bought it to skip the delivery times. But his impatience is my my win. I get about £50 off, I think, from the retail price. Okay. Oh, there's a little bit of test filament. Not very useful, but that's cool anyway. A little packet here. Let's see what's inside. Ooh, PTFE tubes. Okay, these are my PTFE tubes that I'll need for the AMS. My dog is very interested. His name is Oscar. You can just see him. Yeah. I'm sure he's very interested in 3D printing. He's very interested in eating my printer poop if it ever gets off my desk. He's very interested in chewing that as well, so I think he'll enjoy this. So looks like this is the whole unit itself here. I'll try and show you guys. So yeah, here's the actual AMS body itself here, again packaged quite nicely. So we have the body. We have the stand. At the stand, PTFE tubes, some test filament, and the spool holders. So yeah, let's get upstairs. Let's try and put this together and run some tests. All right, see you up there. So now we're here in my little printing nook area. I've kind of moved a bunch of stuff aside to get the AMS down in here. So I think there'll be enough space. It's funny because it's just so much bigger than it's just bigger than the whole printer itself, but I think it'll be cool. So I'm excited to mess with this multicolor stuff. But yeah, I'm gonna try and figure this stuff out without instructions. I might regret that, but we will find out. So looks like, yeah, there's the spools here. The Bambu box. Oh, okay. Some instructions. Yeah. Okay, quick start guide. Safety information. Ooh, that's cool. I've actually, it's been nice. I thought this only came with like the A1, but yeah, I wonder if this is a combo thing that you always get this, but that's cool. The filament swatches. You can always put these in a really nice 3D printed container and you can actually see the types of filament you're gonna get, which is actually really useful, so that's nice. And then we of course have our spools. Open up this box here, see what we have. So, cool, an Allen key, like a hot end poker again, some screws, another scraper blade. So these all also came with my A1 Mini, but I guess there's duplets with this sort of combo situation. So that's good. Put that to the side. Let's see. So here's our pieces. So this is just like the whole quick start guide for the thing. Okay. So it looks like we need to just get the big unit and put it on the stand. I could do that. Then we gotta put the spools on. Then we gotta put the PTFE tubes on. And then put the cables together and plug it in. All right, that seems easy enough. Let's give it a go. Okay, so here's the whole unit. It's kind of, can't even get it in the shot. It's kind of massive. Yeah, I guess the Bambu logo's this way. So yeah, it goes on like this. Seems snug. Just gonna get these screws in now. So this is easy enough. Let's go 4 screws in here to get in. Does they want to get in? Okay, and here we go. It is all in. How cool is that? Looks nice. So, looks like we just got to get the spools on. So, we have green spools, we have orange spools, we have an orange side, orange, orange, green, green. So assuming it just fits in that way. Okay. Go. Orange spool. Last orange spool here. And we are sorted. That's cool. All right. I think the next step is the PTFE first. Yeah, okay, so PTFE first, then the power goes on. So, let's find my PTFE tubes here. It just came with it. I'm gonna route these into the print head over here. So let's see how easy this is, or how crazy this becomes. All right, so I guess I need to undo the PTFE on my other one first. Okay, so I've just moved us a little bit closer to now attach these PTFE tubes. in here. Not focusing, but it's fine, it's not focusing. So this will start this one. Number 3. Okay. I feel like I don't know how long these are going to reach for, but I guess we'll find out. I can always, the good thing about the A1 Mini is it is a very light machine, so you don't really have to go too crazy to move it around. Okay, so now we have all the wires here, and I think the machine's a little bit closer now. So we have all these crazy wires, cables here, so I'll try and see what I can do. This one in here. Then this one in here, and this one in here. I don't really know which ones are which, if I'm honest. I have the star thing to try and organize which is which, but it doesn't seem to have worked very well. So this is where I'm at. Okay, and then there's one I guess we can use for the power cable. Okay, so maybe we can do this and then connect our power cable up here as well. Wow, okay, that looks pretty good. I'm definitely gonna have to print something that makes this neater, because it looks a bit crazy. But yeah, I think we should yeah, plug it in and see what we can do. So it comes with this little small cord with a special type of connector on it, and this just goes to the back. Okay, so I think it's time to load some filament up. Okay, so this is what we're looking like now for the little 3D printing corner, which I think is really nice. So we have the pothos, some spare spools behind it, the AMS, and the A1 Mini. So yeah, I'm for sure going to try and get something to organize these cables and the PTFE tubes and stuff. But yeah, pretty happy with how it looks. Now it's time to kind of do a test. So yeah, let's jump onto the computer and see how to set up all these different spools. So here we are on the computer, and essentially what I had to do, because I used no official Bambu spools, I just had to basically pick out the generic PLA and then pick kind of a close-ish color. But it's pretty easy on the AMS. You just kind of click the spool that kind of associates with the one on the AMS, and yeah, just kind of find the presets you already have, and yeah, it automatically saves itself. You can then sync it with your other prints and change the colors. So then all I had to do was find a multicolored print and then figure out how to change those colors. I've just cut out like a million steps of me messing around with the slicer here, and then just finding out that you just switch the colors around when you're about to send it to the printer. That I found was the easiest way. And then it just prints like any other print, but has cool graphics when you're looking at the device page. And here is a little time lapse of it being printed. So I tried to pick a print that had not a lot of color changes because I'm just so conscious of all the poop that it's gonna make. But I did want to do something that was at least cool, or something that kind of made me think before this would have been really nice in multicolor. I was super impressed with the quality of the print in general. So this new red PLA is actually super nice. But yeah, it was really nice, super clean, literally no issues with the color swapping. So yeah, a super good test. Since recording this, I've done a few other multicolor prints and had like no real issues. So I'm super impressed with the AMS so far. I'm going to try and make another video with a longer review of the AMS Lite, probably in a month or two, when I've really got used to it and really kind of ran a few different spools through it. So this has been my longest video so far. So please drop a like, subscribe if you like the content, drop a comment if you have any questions about the AMS Lite. And I also want to know your opinions. If you have one at home, if you've not got one, if you're thinking of getting one, I kind of want to know why, how, and what your experiences are. That would be really, really cool. And maybe give some inspo on what other multicolored prints I should try. Thanks so much, guys, and see you on the next one.